All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover sending a direct mail campaign using PropStream. So you can see I've already went in here and and pulled my list. And for example, for this one, I am targeting a vacant single family home over 1,500 square feet. Um, with 1 or more years of ownership, 50% more equity, equity, unknown sales dates. So this is just a personal campaign that I'm targeting for something very specific. But you can see I've created my list and now I'm going to go ahead and go over to my properties. And I'm going to find that list, which is Cocoa Beach Target. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit this and click on new campaign, postcard campaign, right? And then right here you can see the pricing guide. When I'm doing more targeted lists, sometimes I do like to send the oversized campaign just to stand out a little bit more. So in this instance, since it's just a small campaign, I'm going to go ahead and go with the oversized. I don't really think it matters either way, though. You just want to really get their attention. All right, I'm going to use one of their predefined templates. And there's a lot of templates to choose from. Investor only. And look for a good one to use for the situation that really helps get my message across. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these calls. So I'm going to mail it out. And then I'm going to have these calls direct to a service called Pat Live that I use. That is a 24-hour answering receptionist service for the company at a very fair price. And they will answer the call live 24 hours a day and pre-screen the seller lead and then send me a note in the email with all the pertinent details on that lead in the conversation. Plus, I'll have a recording because it'll go on my CRM as well. But let's go ahead and find a template we want to use. Sorry, my internet is a little slow right now until tomorrow, but let's do this. A lot more, okay, other stuff. All right. I'm doing this one right now because I'm really targeting a fixer-upper property that I can renovate myself. All right, so I went ahead and selected the postcard that I decided to go with on this campaign. And you can see that everything's already pre-filled with your contact information. Now I'm simply going to go ahead and check this, make sure everything looks good. I can make any edits that I would like. Um, and now I'm going to hit print and mail. All right. You can name your campaign. You can even save the template if you would like for future use. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Boom, 78 cents a piece, just under $100. And who knows, this is a very small targeted campaign, but I could absolutely still get a deal or two or three out of this, depending on the response. Now, again, this is a very small campaign. If I really want to guarantee a deal, um, sending 4,000 pieces should definitely guarantee a deal out of that. Okay, here we go. Boom, everything looks good. And place order. Publish. And just like that, it's done. Was able to pull a list and send a direct mail campaign out to a motivated sellers list. There we go.